Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss the third experiment of the cloud computing, that is working with Amazon Dynamo DB. The definition of Dynamo DB is that is a fast and flexible NoSQL database service for all applications that need consistent single digit millisecond latency at any scale. So starting with our experiment, so navigate to search bar and search for Dynamo DB. So click on Dynamo DB, then click on create item, give the table name, partition key, sort key, then click on create table. Now the table was successfully created. Then after creating a table, select your table, then go to action drop down. In that, select explore items, scroll down. There you will see a option that is create item. Click on that. So give the value, okay, then any value, then you can, this is a JSON view to create an item, then scroll down and click on create item. Okay, after that, in the left side you can see a particle editor. Click on that, and in the double inverted comma you have to give the table name which you are used to create the table. So you have to give the table name, then click on run. So this is the query. Select start from in double inverted comma table name. Okay, here you can see. So you can go to JSON view, you can see. So that's it. Last operation is to delete a table, isn't it? Go to tables here in the left side, create select your table and click on delete. So this will delete your table. So this is a simple experiment. This completes the third experiment of the cloud computing. Thank you.